Welcome to Ayadi podcast. Today we have Mrs. Babita Suraj, the principal of reputed CBSE school, the Cambridge International, and also the academic advisor of Ayadi Local School. Can an online school truly provide the quality, the connection, and the future opportunities that comes with the regular schools? People often say that the education at AGS is at an international level. Why do you think that, and what exactly makes AGS different?
Okay, so at Ayadi, education is not only academics, we also have global exposure. Though we have a CBSE curriculum, we also add on with the holistic development of the child. There are a lot of technology involved, lot of strong mentoring system is there, which will make the child very stronger and emotionally connected. Also, we also add in a lot of technology as well as different languages are taught. Along with English, we teach French and Spanish also taught by the native speakers. So this makes the child very strong and independent, as well as with an Indian CBSE curriculum, but global exposure and with international standards.
Many parents wonder that will their kids get the same experience that they get in the normal regular schools while also studying in online schools?
Yeah, this is very natural for everybody to think, whether online classes will work as much as a regular school, But then at Ayadi, it's more beyond online classes and screens. We have a lot of other, apart from the academic teaching, there are a lot of other activities going on, like a regular school with, competitions, maybe elections, art festivals, and all the things that happens in a regular school happens. And there is a strong bond between the mentor and the child, who's there in on the screen. But though they are on screen, when they, sometimes when they meet during a convocation or so, the kind of bond they have that they've developed on screen, when you look at them, you won't feel that they've been into online classes. We would think that they were in regular classes. Such a good bonding they have with their mentors. So that's the strong point of being at Ayadi, where we have a very strong mentoring and very supportive mentors.
Today, the world is rapidly changing because of technology. How do you think Ayadi teaches AI, robotics, and coding to the children?
Yeah, technology is very much trending and very relevant in schools also. As we follow CBSE curriculum, CBSE has introduced AI and computational thinking this year, and a lot of technology has been happening in schools. In regular schools also. At the same time, though we are online, we use all these methods like computational thinking and AI in our classrooms, where coding and robotics, design thinking, machine learning, and drone technology, all these are taught, but in a very simple, child-friendly manner, in an age-appropriate way. That doesn't mean that a first standard child will learn every concept of it. It's like when they start in a very playful manner, the child won't even know that he or she is learning some concept of technology. They would be learning in a very fun way, and as they grow, go to different higher levels, they start learning concepts, because that's very much relevant and need of the hour now. And computational thinking in the sense, it's not about having computers in front or working with the computers. It is about thinking like a computer. That is what we teach, so using technology in an appropriate way, in an ethical way. So all that is done at Ayadi.
This year, around 80 students have received international awards and achievements. How is it possible?
Yeah, our children have been doing very well this year because we've been tapping them from the beginning. We believe that every child has potential, okay, and then we mentor them, where we guide them in such a way that they perform with confidence, and we give them opportunities at a national and international level. A lot of competitions and opportunities they get to showcase their talents also. And there are we at Ayadi, all the mentors are guiding them creatively, emotionally. It's also very important that a child is supported morally also. The child might have talents inside, but then bringing out the talent is also the efficiency and the skill of a teacher. So we try to bring out the talent and skill of every child who is with us. Okay, so and we guide them, we mold them, we groom them in such a way that they are able to perform on a stage or on any platform to showcase their creativity. That's how we achieve it.
One thing parents often mention is the mother mentoring system. What is so special about this system?
All right, at Ayadi, we have a very strong mother mentor system. Student has a dedicated mentor who would be mentoring and taking care of the child emotionally, academically, to make the child more confident or more secure feeling. And not only the child, the mentor is also in touch with the parents. So the parent is always in the loop as to what the child is doing and not doing, what's happening in the classes. So there's always it's a kind of family there where the student and the family is being connected to the mother mentor. So the mentor has regular follow-ups as to even after classes, whether the child is following it up, the child is following up the whatever is told academically, emotional security, confidence, and whatever help and guidance is needed by the mentor, that's been given. And since the parents are also aware about what's happening, so they are very happy about this mentoring system.
Education today is no longer about textbooks or marks. Parents are looking for learning experience where their children grow with creativity, productivity, and emotional well-being. That is the vision of AGS. Thank you for being here with us today, ma'am, and sharing your thoughts.
Thank
And
you.
thank you for listening.